Riding a motorcycle can be extremely dangerous. That is why it's important for you to know how to prevent yourself as much as possible from getting injured or even dying on a motorcycle. There are many types of equipment needed in order to prevent yourself from getting hurt or dying on a motorcycle. The four main types that you want to have are a helmet, jacket, shoes, gloves, and or some riding pants. Today I would like to inform you on how to wear these properly and so you can know what they do in order to prevent yourself from getting hurt in an accident. First piece of equipment I would like to look at is the helmet. Whenever picking out a helmet, you want to make sure that it is at least DOT approved. DOT approved means that it has been approved by a safety company that will make sure that you are safe when in an accident. Another company that approves helmets is Snell-approved helmets. Snell-approved helmets can take more impact and a lot more safer than just regular standard DOT-approved helmets. Whenever having a helmet, you want to make sure it fits nice and tight. Whenever you're wearing the helmet, you want to make sure you cannot stick your thumb in between your forehead and the helmet so that it's too loose and that it can be very dangerous while riding. Now that I've covered gear needed to protect your head, let's look at some gear that's needed to protect your body. We have a jacket, and whenever you're wearing the jacket, you want to make sure it fits nice and tight to where you're comfortable while riding. This not only makes you comfortable, but also prevents wind from blowing your jacket around and causing distraction while riding. Whenever you're picking out a jacket, there's many different types. You have leather, mesh, and different kinds. I prefer this kind of jacket, which has pads in your forearm, your shoulders, and in your back. This jacket can help you when in an accident. Protect your body as much as possible. Now that we learned how to protect our body, let's look at some other pieces of equipment that will benefit us when riding on the open road. When riding, you would like some good, sturdy gloves. Gloves that I recommend are gloves that have pads that will protect you in any accident while you are sliding so they can wear out before they get to your hands. We value our hands very much, and most people would not like to mess them up. Also, when riding, you want to make sure that you're comfortable with your gloves so that you are able to operate your throttle and your clutch properly when you're riding. Now that we've learned how to protect the majority of our skin, let's look at some other type of gear that will help us prepare ourselves properly when riding a motorcycle. There are a couple other things that would benefit you while riding. They may not be as important as your helmet or your jacket or your gloves, but they're also good for you whenever you are riding. One thing that you can wear while riding would be some riding pants. Riding pants will help you protect your legs and keep you comfortable while riding. And they are a lot better than shorts. I recommend at least the minimum to be jeans. There's many different types of motorcycle pants that you can wear. They're padded, leather, and all these types are good, as long as they're not shorts. Another type of equipment you can invest in are some riding boots and or shoes. I have some shoes here that I use when I ride. And these shoes are very comfortable when you're operating your clutch and your brake. Whenever you're riding and you go for a stop, you also want to have good friction on the bottom, on the soles of your feet, so that you are able to balance yourself while riding. Now that we've covered all the equipment needed to ride, be sure that whenever you are riding, you prepare yourself properly. Make sure that you have your helmet at the minimum, your jacket, gloves, pants, and shoes. I hope that you take this information and use it wisely. Thank you.